Red.
Blue.
Red. Blue. Sipag naman mag-aral ni Faith. Gabi na pero nag-aaral pa din. Wow.
Mama!
Yes.
Mama, wag pasok si Wayme.
Walang pasok si Remy. Oo nga. Gusto na pumasok ng bebe. Magiging red o green?
Okay.
Dapat red. You know, red, blue, red. Sige.
May nakawin.
Meron, putol na nga ang red. Yun. Small na siya.
Stupid, I want.
Gusto mo ng bigger one?
Yes.
Okay, bibili tayo ulit, ha? Tsaka coloring book. Punuin mo. Ay, marami pa eh. Yan, good job. Ang galing naman ng bebe ko eh. Sipag yarn. Sabi ko, puro cellphone na lang inatupag. Sabi ko, mag-aral. Ate mo mag-aral.
Hey,
Oh, ayaw cellphone. I hate cellphone. Oh, hinagis eh. Galing. Gusto ng study. Kukulay yarn. Wow, yellow. Dapat purple. Diba? Purple. Yellow. Purple.
ito yellow, ito paper.
Ah, sige. Wow, ang galing. What is your favorite color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yun.
Ah, you have yellow in your, clothes.
Yellow.
Very good. Faith. Smile. So cute naman eh.